What's up everyone? My name is Flo and welcome to my first ever jewelry making tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this gemstone wire wrapped bracelet for my brand Flo's. And this bracelet uses labradorite and gold filled wire, but today I'm going to be making a duplicate using sterling silver. So this sterling is coated in Argentium, I think that's how you pronounce it, which makes it a little bit more durable and less likely to tarnish. And then I'm going to be using these pretty small closed jump rings as connecting pieces, along with my labradorite gemstone beads that I picked up at a local bead store. And then I'll be cutting my wire into smaller pieces. Each piece will be about 2 inches. And I do this because it's easier to manipulate and, make your little loopholes more perfect when the pieces are smaller. So starting with one piece, I'm going to hold it and bend it perpendicular. Notice where my pliers are holding onto the wire. I then proceed to bend the short end around the top of the wire loop, bringing it to the bottom before turning my pliers clockwise towards the right. The extra space that's created lets you finish pulling the wire all the way through to the other side, creating a little person who looks like they're wearing a scarf. At this point, you can grab one of your little jump rings and add it to the loop before grabbing your flat nose pliers and using them to securely hold the loop that you created in place. If you don't hold the loop down flat, the loop will get bent, so try to get a good grip on it with your pliers. And then you just do a nice little wrappy. It takes a little practice, but eventually you figure it out. It's not too complicated. Then go ahead and grab one of your beads. Then placing your pliers right up against the top of your bead, you're going to repeat what we did earlier. So bend your wire perpendicular over towards the left. Twist your pliers so that they're holding the wire from the top. Using your finger, you're going to wrap the wire, the short end, over the top of the pliers till it's parallel with the bottom, turning your pliers again clockwise until you have a little person with a scarf. From here, you can start attaching your little connector sections, and that's basically it. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be posting more of these. Oh, follow my Instagram too, at floszbrand, FLOSZBRAND on Instagram and Pinterest.